Okay, next, we want to set up the resources. Then click the resources. Okay, then you click the worker because we want to add the worker to monitor the production. So click the worker. This is, you can adjust the size, how big you want, how small you want as a product. Okay, then you can change how many worker you want. So I want 3 worker. Okay, next we want to do the network. So click the network and then you change the name to worker path. Okay, then first you have to click from where to where, from incoming pallet to machining, and from machining to the turning center, and so on. Okay, first we click from incoming pallet, and then you click at your left, and then until you can see the square. Okay, then you click again at your left side. Okay, and then you click at the right, then just click again on your right, and then you click again to your left, and then you click to your right again, and then to here, right, left, right, and left. Okay, okay, next you have to click the interface. You have to click node to the incoming pallet. Okay, node, and the location is incoming pallet, and then you click again at the node to the machining center, and then click again node to the turning center. Okay, so after you do that, this one is node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, and node 5. So every that near from the graphic, you have to click the node to the location. Okay, lastly, the node, the fifth node, you have to click to the conveyor, outgoing conveyor. Okay, so this is the result. Node 1 to incoming pallet, node 2 to machining center, node 4 to turning center, and node 5 to outgoing conveyor. Okay.